Looking to upgrade your DJ gear with style and unbeatable sound? The HC-CP08-L Accessory Pack is designed exactly for that. It lets you showcase your unique vibe with bold green earpads and a matching coiled cable, all while delivering crystal-clear audio performance. Whether you're spinning at a club or streaming live, this kit gives your headphones a fresh, personalized look that turns heads and keeps your sound sharp. What sets this pack apart is how it combines style with practicality. The earpads are crafted from soft polyurethane leather, offering comfort during long sets and durability that stands up to the rigors of performance. The coiled cable isn't just for show, it features a hassle-free design that's perfect for storage and lets you move freely without worrying about tangles or interruptions. Plus, the L-type mini jack reduces stress on your headphones cable, ensuring a secure connection that minimizes signal loss and vibration. This means your sound stays consistent and reliable, no matter how intense the night gets. I've seen DJs struggle with worn-out cables and uncomfortable earpads, but swapping to this accessory pack made a noticeable difference. The vibrant green color pops under stage lights, instantly elevating the overall look. More importantly, the sound quality remains crisp and uninterrupted thanks to the sturdy plug and premium materials. It's a simple upgrade that makes you feel more confident behind the decks and lets your personality shine through your gear. The HC-CP08-L Accessory Pack isn't just about green, it's available in orange, yellow, blue, and violet too. Each kit includes 2 replacement earpads and a detachable coiled cable that fits perfectly with your HDJ-Q1 headphones. This means you can easily switch colors to match your mood or event, giving you endless options to express yourself. Worth a look if you want to combine function with flair and keep your setup fresh and professional. If you're ready to bring your DJ headphones to the next level, the HC-CP08-L Accessory Pack is a smart choice. It offers what you get: personalized style, enhanced comfort, and a dependable connection that keeps your music flowing smoothly. Try it when you're ready to stand out on stage and enjoy the freedom of a cable that moves with you. Your gear deserves an upgrade that matches your passion, and this pack delivers just that.